very busy. Look, Freedom Frenzy has launched about 22 days ago, and it has now impacted, at least in my team, it's impacted a few dozen people financially already, which, anywhere from 500 to 2,000 or more just in the last couple of weeks. Hey, Cosmos, thanks for joining. And we expect November to be a breakout month for this because we're still actually in pre-launch. We haven't actually launched yet. And this simple program that we've created, okay, a one-time $35 to get into it, has actually created me $3,100, over $3,100 in the last 20 days. Now, it's not just me that it's doing it for. It's doing it for a lot of different members in my team. I mean, I've got a couple of members that have done well over $2,000 already in the last 20 days. Some of them anywhere from 500 to 2,000. And the thing is that we've revolutionized the pass-up system. I've always liked the pass-up system for its design. The only thing that I found about the pass-up system, the only flaw, is that when people work really hard to get their sales, right, you're having to pass up sales. That's one thing. Hey, Chief, thanks for joining. That was the one thing that irritated me in different pass-up systems that were out there. I mean, I worked really hard, and so did my team. And you work really hard to get these sales, and then you end up having to pass up not only the person, so that's your lead that's gone, but also 100% of those commissions are gone too. Now, what we did is we've completely changed the game when it comes to pass-ups. Imagine this. Imagine going out and making your sales, and you get paid on every single sale, including the pass-up sales, and you don't actually pass up the lead or the person who bought that. If they decided they wanted to come and become a reseller in here, they still belong to you, which means now that you can build leveraged income off of this pass-up system. Now, the pass-up system is very simple. Basically, what we do is we go out and we sell a product, okay? Ours happens to be educational products. We go out and we sell our educational products, and what we have with a pass-up is we actually split the commission with our sponsor. So basically, we get paid a $25 commission off of on the $35 product. We get paid a $12.50 commission on the split, and our sponsor gets $12.50. Okay. If we get 100%, well then of course that's $25. Now, the cool thing is that whenever you're selling a product to somebody and they decide that they want to become a reseller in the program, well, the same thing is going to happen to them. They're going to split the sale on their second sale, their fourth sale, and every fourth one after that. So you're going to have these pass-up sales. They're going to come in no matter what. That's your leveraged long-term passive sales. Now, I'm going to go into a lot more detail exactly how this is, but this, I'm telling you, this is what's attracting the people in the industry. I have people joining my team that I never thought would have joined me, and it's because of the way that we've designed this. It's one thing to join a program and try and sell products, okay? Because every program has their products you got to sell. Ours are education. Some of them out there might be health and nutrition, whatever it is, right? But the problem that there's always been is that they never paid that well, okay? Or you have to wait too long to get paid. I mean, it's bad enough when you work for somebody else that you got to wait 2 weeks to get paid, especially when the economy is the way that it is. I mean, the cost of living is going up, but the wages aren't going up to match the cost of living. Countries today are about 6 years behind their cost of living, okay? And that goes for North America and everywhere else. So what people are looking for is that instant gratification, that instant commission that they get. So here's the cool thing. The company allows you to be a reseller and collect 100% of the commissions, or 50% on the split pass-up sales, okay? But they're paid directly to you. They don't even go through the company. So there's no waiting for your money. Right now you're paid. That's instant cashable money that you can go out and cash out. Now, it's all in the form of Bitcoin and Litecoin, okay? Still, you know, you can still go to an exchange, cash that out, and have it done to your bank account. I do it all the time. It takes approximately, from the time that I send it from my wallet to my bank account, 2 to 3 days. Boom, it's there in my bank account. Okay, I've done it over and over. Okay, I've already withdrawn the massive amount of that $3,100 into my bank account already. You know, that's all cashable money that I have had. And this is what I mean, like, we got Christmas that's coming. Okay, 7 weeks now until Christmas. And you know, this is a real sensitive time of year for people, because people today, their cost of living is too high for what their wages are. So, you know, you're going to find a lot of families this Christmas that are going to be, well, without enough money for Christmas, right? And you know, to me, Christmas is real special. I love Christmas. I think it's a real important time of year of celebration. Okay, and you know, to not be able to participate in those kind of celebrations and that's going on, you know, the gift giving, the family, you know, gatherings and stuff, people don't do it that much anymore because they just can't afford to do it. So what we want to do is we want to help put that money into people's pockets so they can go out and have that freedom to have fun. That's why we're called Freedom Frenzy. Okay, we are here to create a frenzy for people's freedom. It's that simple. So we want to make sure that we can get as many people having and living the life of freedom, you know, financial freedom, time freedom, whatever that it is.